In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Workspace URL in Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive right in. If you're managing a Slack workspace and you've decided that it's time for a change, maybe your team has rebranded, or perhaps you just want a fresh start, updating the Workspace URL is a straightforward process. So let's go through it step by step. First, you'll want to open your administration tools. If you're using the Slack desktop interface, focus your attention on the left sidebar. There, you should see an option for Admin Settings. Click on that, and it will take you to a menu that allows you to manage various aspects of your workspace. Next, we need to navigate to the Details section. From this submenu, hover your mouse over the Admin option, and this will bring up another set of choices. You want to select Edit Workspace from this list. After you click that, just a bit further down, you'll see an option for Name and URL. Go ahead and choose that. What comes next is an important step. A prompt will appear on your screen titled Edit Workspace Details. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a text box where you can type in your new workspace name. Make sure you're happy with this name, as it identifies your workspace to your team. Now, let's get to the main event, the URL update. Right beneath the name field on that same screen, you'll notice a link that says Change Workspace URL. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter the new subdomain prefix for your workspace. This is essentially the part of the web address that will represent your Slack space moving forward, so make sure it's something recognizable and easy for your team to remember. Once you've typed in your new URL, it's time to save those changes. Take a moment to review everything to ensure it all looks correct. After you've done that, you'll see a green Save button. Click that, and just like that, your workspace URL has been updated. However, it's essential to remember an important detail here. Changing your workspace URL means you're also changing the login link for all your team members. So after making this change, it's your responsibility to inform everyone on your team. Make sure they know they will need to use the new address to access the workspace. It might even be a good idea to send out a quick message or a team email with the new link just to make the transition smoother. And there you have it. Updating your Slack workspace URL is simple and only takes a few minutes. I hope this guide has been helpful for you. If you enjoyed this tutorial and would like to see more tips and tricks for using Slack efficiently, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating.